Next question says, a legal maximum on the price at which a good can be sold is called a price. 1, floor. 2, ceiling. 3, subsidy. Or 4, support. This is just a definition based question, and what we're really referring to here is the idea that there's going to be a legally imposed price control, and if it's saying how high a good can be going, we refer to that as a ceiling, right? If you're trying to go up, the ceiling prevents you from going any higher. So the ceiling is what we refer to as the price control in this situation. The next question, the previous tutor says ceiling as well, and they said the maximum price that a producer can charge for his or her good or service in the market is known as a price ceiling. A price ceiling sets a cap on the price level, henceforth preventing the latter from crossing a certain predetermined limit. A price ceiling is a regulatory instrument that is used by the government to protect or enhance consumers from exorbitant prices. The direct impact of a price ceiling is the creation of a shortage in the market, right? As a binding price ceiling, which is below the equilibrium, leads to a reduction in quantity supply while increasing the quantity demanded. It's a great answer. Mark that as correct.